Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sweet sauce. To begin, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth process. This comprehensive guide will help you create a delicious, versatile sauce right in your own kitchen. You'll learn the exact measurements and techniques to achieve that perfect balance of heat and sweetness, making your culinary creations truly stand out. Let's get started on this flavorful journey together. For our hot sweet sauce, the foundation begins with fresh, vibrant ingredients. You'll need approximately 1 cup of fresh red chilies, which provide the perfect kick. To balance that heat, we'll incorporate 4 cloves of garlic and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, adding depth of flavor. For the sweet component, grab 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and for that essential tang, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar is ideal. These precise measurements ensure a balanced and delicious result. Now let's get cooking. First, blend all your solid ingredients, chilies, garlic, and ginger, into a smooth, uniform paste. Next, transfer this paste to a saucepan and combine it with your liquids and brown sugar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Continue to cook for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This simmering process allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken to a perfect consistency, creating that rich, glossy texture we desire. Once your hot sweet sauce has reached its desired thickness, remove it from the heat. It's crucial to allow the sauce to cool completely to room temperature before proceeding. Once cooled, carefully transfer your delicious creation into clean, sterilized, airtight jars. Stored properly in the refrigerator, your homemade hot sweet sauce will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 3 weeks. Now, you're ready to enjoy this versatile condiment with all your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.